Hey everyone, it's Haley and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you saw from the title, we are going to be doing a New Year's Eve look. So this is what I have come up with, just a nice gold smoky eye with a bold red lip for this year's New Year's look. So I'll probably be rocking this. So if you want to know how to create this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already done my brows and I've moisturized my little face. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take, I should be prepared but I'm not, we're going to do primer on our eyes before we start the eyes. So I'm taking the Morphe Eyelid Primer. It's like so good. I used to use the Urban Decay but now I'm obsessed with this stuff. So go ahead and just put a little bit on your finger and then we're just going to go all over the lid. Just all over. Okay. Eyes are primed. Now we're going to be taking... Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, it's so big. So the James Charles Morphe palette, I've used it like a couple times now because I'm just so busy with my life. I'm just lazy. But, this is what it looks like. I'm sure everyone's seen it, but you know, it's fucking gorgeous. All of these colors, like hello. Like how can you not like this palette? I'm just saying. Okay, so we're gonna probably do a gold smoky eye for today's New Year's look and a bold red lip because everyone needs to be looking fierce on New Year's, okay? We are coming in 2019 looking hot. So stay tuned. Let's go. We gonna do this. Okay, I should shut up now. Alright, so taking the James Charles palette, I am gonna go in with I don't know. Exactly. So taking the James Charles palette, I'm gonna go into Canvas with a M441 brush from Morphe, and we are just gonna go right into our crease, a nice little transition action for when we start packing on that brown, and just build it up in circular motions. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M433 brush. Looks like this. Don't look on my face. It's like, it's whatever. Okay, and we are going to take Punch Me and do the same thing. Tap off the excess and then go right in your crease in circular motions to build up that brown color. Alrighty. Now that we've built that color up, we're going to go into our next brown shade because we're building and building to a darker, smokier look. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we're going to take... I'm going to take something. Okay. I've made my decision. We are now going to take No Beans and just go for it at this point. Slowly work your way up a little bit on the color. Little bit of the color goes a long way with this palette. Like, I barely dabbed into it and look at that. Wow. Also, I moved closer so you can actually see what I'm doing, because before I was a little too far. But same thing. Wiper motions back and forth. Really try to blend that color. And also, for the last like 3 brown shades, I've used the same brush that I've been using, just building it up, because I'm a simple person, kind of. And I don't have time to, you know, go to each brush, switch out brushes, or maybe I don't have that many. You don't know me. I don't know you, so maybe you don't have as many. So I try to keep it simple on this channel. Oh dear. Great Scott. I put too much, it's fine. Blend it out folks. Just blend it out. We'll be a-okay. This palette, holy moly, is all I got to say. Now we're going to go back into that first brush we used, Punch Me. Nope, not Punch Me, Canvas. Canvas, that's what it's called. And we're just going to take Canvas again and go around the edges to blend it out more and clean it up before we keep going. Next, we're going to take just a precision shadow brush. It's very flat, and this is where I put all my glitter on. So we are going to take Wig, I think, or So Good. I don't know. Let's swatch. Okay. What do we think? Can we see it? I think So Good is where it's at. Like, look at these fingers. Look at it. Well, So Good it is. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take my brush, put it in So Good, and then take my Max Fix Plus and, you know, give a little spritz action. There we go. And a little more and dab it right on, dear. Holy crap. Okay. Doing it big, boys. Doing it real big, boys and girls. Okay. We love it. Oh my gosh. We love to sparkle. Who needs a cut crease? Because we don't. Shines on its own. Like a diamond. Ooh! I'm lame. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with that M433. I should know these by now. Back into No Beans and just very lightly go over where some of the gold hit just to blend it together. Look at that. Look at that wheel. Now, you could leave it like this, go on with your eyeliner, mascara, lashes, or you can be a little, you know, I don't know what the word is. What word am I thinking of? I have it in my head too, and just, I don't know. But you know, you could be a little something and take another M433 brush and dab into a little bit of spooky, just a little. Spice things up in your life with some black, okay? Look at that. Oh, adds dimension. Hello. Now just focus that in the outer V. Only there. If you bring it up too much, then it just like ruins the illusion. And we want a blended, beautiful queen. Okay. So I'm literally just like going boop into the black and trying to dab it off because like this is a pigmented palette for sure. And once you have a lot of black, you're kind of screwed. No matter how much you blend it out, it's definitely going to still be there. So please lightly tap it in the black shade. Don't be like normal, because then you're just gonna have a black eye, and that's not cute for New Year's Eve. It's not gonna get you a kiss when the ball drops. Even though, you know, me, lonely me, I won't be having one this year, but it's fine. What the frick? Just a little goes a long way. Okay. Beautiful. Hopefully you saw that. Hopefully it was focused. Who knows? Okay. So I will be right back. This is pretty much what I got going on so far with, I'm going to do my eyeliner. Yeah, my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back to finish the lower lash. Well, I'm going to do the rest of my face and then come back, because like I got a whole system on how like I do my makeup, like step by step, what goes first when. So if you want a video for that, thumbs up this one and you'll know, and like You'll probably cringe at how I do it, but you know, it's okay. It's a learning experience, and everyone does things differently. Okay, I'm gonna go do my eyeliner. Bye. Alright, I am back with some Boom lashes. Hello, how you doing? And I know I look a little weird, but you have to finish now our lower lash line, lashes, lower. Like, take care of this part right here, or else you're gonna look like a freak like me, you know? Doesn't look good. It needs to be, like, together. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna take some black liner and line my waterline with it. See? Come together already. We use the Morphe E18 just because it is a smaller brush for the little lower lash line. So dip it into No Beans and go ahead and line it, I guess is what you'd call it. I don't know. Oh my god, it's so difficult. I feel like a whole different person with these like lashes on. Like, they're not heavy or anything, but I just feel like I can't, like, look, you know, like, I don't know. Does everyone else feel like this when they put on lashes? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just weird. Who knows? Probably the weird part. This is a celebration. Like, we made it through 2018, which sucked horribly. At least for me. Maybe it was good for you, I don't know. But hopefully 2019, we are ringing it in. We're going to look good coming into 2019. And it's just going to make our year. Just like looking good, feeling good. It's the year of self-love, self-care. So we got to be confident in this bitch, okay? That's what I'm here to do. Okay? We're going to boost our self-esteem. We're going to look real pretty, real nice. I'm going to shut up now. Because you already know. Okay. Oh, look at me now, bitch. Okay, now I'm gonna take, what is this? I really need to clean my brushes. Okay, I'm gonna take the E36 Morphe brush, dip it into So Good, little spritz action, even for the lower lash line, needs some love, and that inner corner, douse it on, like, look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna take ring light. Oh, that's a good one. I need one of those. And we are going to put that in our underneath our brow bone is what it's called. And yes, I am using a lip thing. It's fine. Work with what you got. They can all do the same thing. Like, look at that. Now my highlight underneath the brow bone is a popper with this brush. Okay, and then we're also going to take ring light in the inner corners for even more pop. Next, going to put bottom lash line mascara, because you can't forget about those. It, like, literally makes the look, I swear. Now, what we're going to do to complete this look is a bold lip, I think. So I'm going to line my lips. My drawer's under here, sorry guys. I've got a ghetto setup, it's fine. No one needs to know about it. I'm going to take a Mary Jo K from Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. It's very red, so we'll see how that works against the lipstick I'm going to use, but we're going to pray that it works. Okay. And when you're lining with red, be very careful because it'll just, like, depending on the lip liner, it'll, like, smudge if you try and take it off and just ruin everything, and it's not great. So please be patient and take your time when lining your lips. Now I'm going to take a masterpiece. Hi, how are ya? From Jeffree Star. If I can open it. This is from his holiday collection. And let me tell you how cute, like, slays my life. His packaging, like, woo. Oh, bitch, that is a look if I have ever seen one. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Comment down below what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you loved it, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and my crazy ass self. If you love me or if you hate me and want to troll me, you can do that too. Just hit that subscribe button though. You know what to do. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys all have a very Happy New Year. 2019 is going to bring a lot, and it's definitely going to be our year. 2018 was shit, so I'm really hoping for the best. Alright, you guys, so keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys! Alright, so I've already started. And start shit. Come on, Haley, keep it PG. Me and my sailor mouth, wow. Is this lighting even good? What do we think so far? I don't know, man. What the heck, man? Hi, back in focus. Hello. Hello. Alright, shut up. Okay. Alright, you guys. This is... Fuck! Okay. Oh, hello. Hello.